grateful for this. As you know that we are living in a society that I'm not a material girl, so I only want to live throughout my life with the simple and best of things. Anyway, thinking about the future, what can I be doing in my life? Sometimes I feel like in this process, we don't need money to be happy. But when the time has become adult and mature, we became so serious and stressful. But I expected I don't want to lose peace of my mind. So I always ask myself, what do you like? What do you want to be? What kind of doing person? So I always ask myself, the answer is I love the nature and simple lifestyle. And then don't comparison and without social media. So I will try some new day. I will be close with the nature and find myself. In this month of October, yes, I made my long life, my dream came true, and will change all my life. I'm very grateful for this. And studying in your life is, of course, challenging for me. Everything is way behind that view. When you grow up, you have to be socialized. You want to try and get one a new life. Everything is new and different. Sometimes we think it is the strength. There I will find the clothes and follow the base now.